How are the markets going to shape up this morning?
All right, Pete, we're going to kick off in fairly flat terms this morning. So we're up by around 0.4% yesterday. So the pulse that we had from the Northern Hemisphere last night, on the one hand, European markets did quite well. You might recall a day ago we were talking about the Italian government applying a super profit tax on financial institutions. That weighed on European financial groups as a whole, but last session the Italians walked that proposal back a little bit and we saw a recovery as far as European bank stocks in particular were concerned. They were amongst the most improved. The UK market was up 0.8%, the French market up 0.7%, German market up by about 0.5%, and the broader measure up by just under 0.5%. The big theme last night in terms of prices was the recovery for oil prices. So the cuts that have been enacted by OPEC and allied producers, concerns about shortages in the medium term, that pushed oil prices up by as much as close to 5% at one stage, Pete. They're up by about 1.5% at the close of trade. So energy stocks in the US are amongst the most improved, but there's a little bit of trepidation ahead of the inflation numbers, which will be released next session in the US. So that weighed on things. The Dow was down by 0.5%, the S&P down 0.7%, the Nasdaq down by 1.2%. Government bonds in the US up a little bit as far as short-term interest rates are concerned, down a little bit as far as long-term rates are concerned. That's just noise ahead of the official CPI figures, which will be released tonight, as I said. So today we'll be looking forward to earnings numbers from AGL. So again, continuing that theme about the energy space.
All right, Tom, thank you.